Hello everybody, welcome to ArroNotes. Today we are going to see how to add different language keyboards into Gmail without installing any additional software. For that, go to Google and log in your Gmail. My Gmail account is already logged in, so I am directly getting into Gmail window. After Gmail window is appeared, you can see a setting option in your right hand. Click the setting option and go to settings. You can see a general tab in settings option. In that you can see a languages. Click show all language option. In that you can see enable input tools. Click on that, you will getting into input tool options. In input tool option there are two section, all input tools and selected input tools. In all input tools you can see many languages with a many different type of keyboards. In that I'm going to use Tamil. So there are different Tamil language keyboards. You can click the Tamil language and select arrow key to add it into selected input tools. Like that you can add all the different type of Tamil keyboards. Now all the different type of Tamil keyboards are added into that and click OK. Now go down and do the save. After clicking save changes, your Gmail will get refreshed and all the new settings are applied. In the settings menu, which is available in the right hand side, you can see another additional option, that is keyboard. Now you can select that keyboard and drop down menu you can see different type of Tamil keyboards into that. I'm going to use Tamil typewriter keyboard. Now the Tamil typewriter keyboard will be appeared. Now you can check it. Click on combos, go to body and you can type using this keyboard. You can type all the body parts and subjects with a Tamil and you can send a mail. That's all. Thank you for watching ArroNotes.